Hi, I'm Squeaky Clean Dave, and today I'm going to be doing a gutter and fascia clean using Vision TFR-CC. So I've got this gutter and fascia job to do, and I'm using the Vision TFR-CC. This is a TFR from a caustic TFR from Vision, and it's super concentrated. That bottle, the reason I like this is because it's a small bottle, doesn't cost much in postage, but it's really strong, so you don't use loads. You don't have to carry a great big 5-litre tub around in your van all the time. This will do the same amount. So to do the PVC clean, I'm using 150 millilitres of this, of the Vision TFR, in a gardener backpack. So I'm going to apply my TFR in the backpack, 150 millilitres, topped up with water. I'm going to be using my DA Components applicator to apply it with, spray it from the backpack, and then I've got my Gardener universal brush. I find this really good for doing UPVC cleans. I found out now that they do a red one which is stiffer, so that's on the shopping list. That'll be coming up soon, and I'll let you know how that is when I get it. One little tip I found is when I do a UPVC clean, I've got the swivel on the brush. Sometimes it can be a bit loose for doing it, so I always get the screwdriver, just tighten up the swivel half a turn, the screw in there, tighten it up half a turn, stiffens it up. When you turn the brush up, you can stick it straight up, get it right up behind the gutters, and it's stiff enough that it won't flop back down straight. So we'll go and get started. So to start with, we wet down all the plastic with just water, and then we'll spray it with the TFR. Once we've wet all the plastic down, we'll give it a spray with the TFR and give it a scrub, agitate it a bit, and then leave it for a few minutes, but don't let it dry. You can see as soon as we scrub it with that TFR, it really starts to loosen up the dirt. Of course, not to forget to scrub in either side of the brackets. So once you've let it stand for a bit, you can then give it a scrub off with the water running. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do all the usual stuff, thumbs up, thumbs down, subscribe, leave comments below, let me know what you thought of it. If there's any particular tips or tricks that you've got, stick them in the comments below, and let us know what type of brush you're using for your PVC cleans. So from Doofus and me, thanks for watching, bye for now.